Hi, this is Liz and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you on how to do check-in via Cebu Pacific. So if you are new here to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click the notification bell for you to update every time I posted a new video. So without further ado, let's start. Okay, so first, let's go to the website of Cebu Pacific. Just type Cebu Pacific Air. Okay, then scroll down and click check in. So there are two options here. So if you have already an account in Cebu Pacific, you can just type here your email address and then your password. And the other options, if you don't have yet an account, you can use your booking details. So just type here your booking references and then your surname. And click continue. Okay, so here's your booking details. So here just put the details of your relatives or family member, whoever can be contacted with. Okay, then scroll down and click continue. So here's your payment details. And by the way guys, make sure that you will read the guidelines of Cebu Pacific and also double check your baggage and belongings before your flight. Okay, then scroll down and then check in now. Okay, so successfully checked in. You can now print your boarding pass together with your itinerary ticket. Okay, so if you have any question regarding your flight, you can contact your travel agent or you can email on dpo@cebupacificair.com. And also for requesting a refund for your ticket, I made a video tutorial for that. I will drop the link on the description box. And also for the travel updates, you can follow me on Facebook page, Liz Diary, and also follow me on Instagram. And that's it for today guys. I hope this video helped you for your flight trip. And if I do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And once again, this is Liz. Thank you for watching. God bless and see you on my next video.
It's not a game, it's a rap.